1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, here we go. Good luck, Brandon Spidafan 2020-21 Panini Mosaic Mega Box. Good luck, señor. Buena suerte. Here we go. Russell Westbrook, National Pride. Jamias Ramsey and Eric Gordon for the Rockets. Jam Master, Spud Webb. Jashawn Tate, rookie. Josh Hart for the Pelicans. John Morant, Elevate. Silver. Danny Avdija, Udoka, and Danny Avdija, and Dazzer's Face, NBA debut rookie, and Thomas Bryant, silver. Man, Thomas Bryant was on the Lakers. Man, all these guys that used to be on the Lakers. Boom, LaMelo Ball, NBA debut. Sadiq Bey, Mitchell Robinson, and Dwayne Wade. Heat versus Warrior, February 27, 2019. Bang. Bang, bang. Nico Mannion, Derek Jones Jr., Jaylen Brown. I saw Jaylen Brown got traded away, right? Okay, I'm a big rookie here. Kevin Durant. Boom. Tyrese. And Gary Payton. All-time greats. Will to win. Damian Lillard. Oh, we got our Mosaic. Tyrese, Shaquille O'Neal, Tristan Thompson, Marcus Smart. Come on. I get to pull big rookie in those exclusive prisms. Huh? Isaiah Stewart, DeJounte Murray, Vince Carter. That's a nice one. Murray, Celtics now, right? Patrick Williams, Jordan Nwora, Udoka for the Jazz though. As a week, and Dominique Wilkins, Udoka, and the last pack has a silver in the back. Sadiq Bey, Tre Jones, Gary Trent Jr., A.A. Ron Gordon. Does he fly higher now because he's been playing in Denver and the air's so thin? Does he jump higher? Sorry. Dumb. Alright, here's the Udoka, Tyrese Halliburton rookie, the Bang Dwayne Wade, NBA debut LaMelo Ball, and Danny Avdija, NBA debut. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate it, senor.